Hi everyone, this is Kajal Lad. I'm a chartered accountant and I've done my bachelor's degree in commerce as well as law. I have 15 years of work experience working across corporate finance, fundraise and financial strategy for large corporates as well as growing organizations in edtech, fintech as well as healthcare. I started my journey actually as an investment banker, then moved on to impact investing, worked in a family office fund as part of the portfolio management team, and in the last few years, I've been working as a finance lead at Zelle and few other organizations. So finance comes naturally to me. I've been coming from a family of Marwadis, so the business acumen and financial accounting has been in my blood. I chose finance because I knew that science is not for me. First of all, I understood that I really have a flair for analytics, growing businesses, and understand promoters really well. That's a very good question because having worked for about more than 15 years, I have seen kind of the transition that has happened in the industry as well as the finance domain itself. A lot of the functions, finance functions that used to do back then were not so tech focused. So for women in finance, only few suggestions would be to work harder and chart your own career path. A lot of times I think women in finance or in general feel undermined or they have what we call as a imposter syndrome. Given that even when I started, I used to be in a full room of CXOs, other people who used to be only men. So we have to kind of break that barrier, continue to do that. A lot has been done. I think we as women will have to step up and break the class limit. Zelle has been an interesting journey for me and just completed over a year itself as the finance function lead. It's been a great learning as well as unlearning opportunities because I get to work and interact with a lot of young, bright people who are dedicated as well as committed to service our students. So I really look forward to my next growth journey at Zelle. Thank you.